Whiz. As the temperature drops, our skin can get dry, dull, and irritated. But don't worry, I have got you the covered my honest skincare routine, and yes, it's not sponsored. First up, we have the Plum Green Tea Cleanser. This gentle, non-foaming cleanser effectively removes dirty and impurities while maintaining the skin natural barrier, and it smells heavenly. We have to take few drops of it and give a gentle wash to our face. Next, we have the Deconstruct Vitamin C Serum. This serum gives our skin a long-lasting hydration and glowing skin. It had vitamin C and ferulic acid, which helps brightening skin and exhibit antioxidant properties. Simply, we have to take 2 to 3 drops of it and massage our face gently. For oily skin, I recommended the Minimalist Oil-Free Moisturizer. This product has B3 and zinc, which gives our skin a deep hydration and improves our skin barrier. Last but not the least, don't forget to protect your skin from the sun. The Deconstruct P Triple Plus Sunscreen provides the barrier spectrum protection. It is lightweight and non-greasy and will not close pores. At the last, I use the Whiz Care P Triple Plus Lip Balm.